be coming from Lotus to check one roll forming machine and adjust the twisting elbow for final products. Today we just working by torque head. This part we calling torque head, and I want to explain how to work with the torque head. So these profiles are coming out, as you can see. Once you put it together, it's all in the alignment line, no any gap between the two profiles. You can see it's all 5 meter lengths, no any gap. But once you check in the profile here, you can see the twisting around this way and the gap between the here. It has some small gap here. It means your lines is a little twisting to the right. You can see in the end. I show you here. Here you can see the gap between two profiles. It's almost 1 finger coming inside. So it means your profile is almost elbow to one side. So here in Lotus torque head, we have a 4 function, up and down, twisting left and right, and by this handle we can put it through the left side and right side. So for this issue that I show you, we just should move total torque head to left side. Then it can be a little elbow back to this right shape. So I just lose it this one and put it here and put the complete torque head to the left side. So you can see the result after I change torque head is completely straight. From here you can see along the legs, no any gap, no any elbow side, and it means your torque head is almost fixed. So let me go to the line and show you the different sizes and different adjusting that you can do for your better shape. This shape is U-purling for greenhouse, and as you can see it has a small ribs both side and in the bottom side. So I want to show you how to adjust the gap between up roller and down roller for these ribs. So far till here we don't have any ribs on the middle. From here we start 2 ribs left and right, and here we start 3 ribs. So by this gap from the up roller and down roller, we can adjust the depths of these ribs. Once you adjust by this screw, adjust the gap between the up roller and down roller, it means you can fix and you can make a bit more pressure and make a deeper ribs on this. Here, you just make a small ribs on the bottom of the U-purling. For side ribs, also by this roller and the second roller, we can adjust the gap and the pressure to make a deeper and lower ribs. This is the complete line for U-shape. This U-shape is also calling G-purling for greenhouse structure. We start by decoiler, Lotus decoiler, 3-tone manual, and the complete automatic line. From input to the cutting side. I slowly move forward. You can check the different shape of the rollers. This machine drive by chain. We adjust and we install complete encoder here to measure the length, and here we measuring the size by here, and we check the size manually to make sure it works good. So now we again get some problem for adjust the twisting. So now I want to show you how to adjust and fix this issue. You can put your profile on the flat surface. Okay, now we want to show you the second issue by torque. I already explained to you this issue, how to fix it. Once we put two profiles together, side to side, we put it together, and we can see it has some gap here. It has some gap here. It means your profile is elbow to left or right. So we already fixed this issue, and I show you. Now I want to go to second issue to fix by torque. You can see already fixed it, and once we put two profiles together, align the lengths, no any gap between two profile. So we moving to back side to back side. So now you can see once we put it back to back, we have some gap in the middle. Almost it can go one finger completely inside. So now we want to fix this issue with our engineering, Mr. Kashima. We coming to torque it. During the working, we can adjust the torque a little down. This complete unit should going a little down, so it will fix your curve to straight, and we can see after the profile coming out what's the result. So one more time, we just put the complete torque a little down. Just 1 millimeter or 2 millimeter, we put it by this screw and nut, we move it down. Let's see the profile coming out. What's the result? One more time, this is Lotus Forming Workshop. We are professional on design, manufacturing, roll forming machine based on your requirements. This G-purlin is used for greenhouse structure, and now we are adjusting the final test and final adjusting. We want to complete 5 meter complete, and we cut it, and now we check it. Now we check what's the difference. You can see the gap is become bigger. Well, it means your torque direction, it shouldn't go down, it should go up. So 2 millimeter, we put the torque down, we again make it 4 millimeter. Wait a moment, I can show you. Before it was like this. Yeah, you can see the gap is almost 20 millimeter. And now, after our engineering adjustment, we become almost 2 finger and double. So it means we're going to right direction. Now we lift the tourniquet up. Now we can produce one more sheet. I think this is our final sheet. We don't have any raw material. Customer didn't send us any more raw material, but by this final sheet and by professional engineering adjustment, we can reach the final sizing and alignment. Today we just show you and explain you the function of this toolkit and how we adjust it, how to fix it, and how we reach the final sizes and final alignment, twisting, elbow. We just fix by toolkit. Up and down, twisting left and right, and moving left and right. Complete set. Now we're checking again what's the result after our adjustment. Now you can see the gap become smaller. So you can see the gap is almost half the finger. And the gap becomes smaller, so it means we're going to right direction. We just should lift the tourniquet a little more up. One more time, we lift the tourniquet. We lift a little tourniquet a little more up, and we check the final raw material coming out. This cutting unit is almost, you should care about the position for cutting unit because it's also a curve and make some change on your twisting elbow or the side scratch. So once you want to modify it, change it, this position of the cutting, you should use this screw or this screw, make it up, down, or a little left and right. Normally for adjusting the final product, we do without cutting. Firstly, we make a final product in the best shape and best condition. Then we install cutting unit. Raw material is almost finished. This is the final size. You can pull it out. Yeah. So we check the change like this final one, and with this one you can see the gap is still available. become smaller and smaller. We continue this moving down toolkit until we finish the final adjustment. Thank you for watching us. Let me show you the final result by adjusting the toolkit, what we explained to you today in LOTOSFORMING workshop. You can see our LOTOS machine and LOTOS workshop here. So our first result coming out from line is like this, and it has some bow. You can see the gap between two profiles. The end side is almost connected together here, connected together, but the middle, you can see what's the gap. It's almost 30 or 40 millimeter gap. You can see here by adjusting the toolkit here. We call this unit toolkit, and we explained to you today just about toolkit adjusting. We just lift complete unit by this screw up, almost 5 millimeter. We lift it up. So we reach the second try. We reach this gap, 5 millimeter. From 40 millimeter, we fix it to 5 millimeter. So we go in the right direction, and we already fixed the elbow for this coming out profile. We a little more continue lifting up the toolkit. Last time we lifted 5 millimeter. This time we lifted 1 millimeter, and we reach the final result here. You can see. I show you. You can see the middle, no any gap. Middle in almost 4 millimeter, and here 30 millimeter. So from this first trial, we fix the toolkit. We reach in the 4 millimeter. Now our final and complete straight profile here. 1, 2, 3. After we adjust the toolkit. Thank you for watching us. For any issue, feel free to contact us.